Hello friends, good morning. Uh, I welcome you in the presentation of class 10 mathematics linear equation into variable. Friends, in a previous session, we already seen how to solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. Okay, so today we will continue the same topic. That means we are going to solve the problem based on elimination method. So example is solve the following pair of equation by using elimination method. So we have given here pair of linear equation into variable is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0, and second equation is 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Now we can solve this pair by using a elimination method. Okay, so first we can rewrite the given pair like this. First equation we have to write constant term to constant term from left side to right side. Okay, so from this given equation, given pair can be written as your 3x as it, minus 5 as it, and this minus 4 from left side to right side transfer करना है. So minus 4 become plus 4. So we get equation 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, and we can denote it by equation number 1. Okay. Now second equation is your this left side 9x as it, and from right side this 2y we can transfer here this 2y from right side to left side, it becomes minus 2y and is equal to right side plus 7 as it, and we can denote this equation by number 2. So in this way we can rewrite here. Now we can solve this pair 1 and 2 by using a elimination method. So in this elimination method, we can make the coefficient of any one variables are equal. Okay, we have to make the coefficient of any one variable are here equal. So in this example, we are going to equate the coefficient of y here. Okay, now see here in a first equation variable of y is what? That is here 5, and coefficient of y in second equation is 2. Now we have to make their coefficient of equal, and equal means we have to make their coefficient as their LCM. So here coefficient of 5, first equation coefficient of y is 5, in second equation is 2, and their LCM is what? Their LCM is 10. That means we have to make here coefficient of y are equal and equal to 10. That is their LCM. So how to make it? So that's why here multiply this equation 1. Here in equation 1 coefficient of y is here 5. So how to make it 10? By multiplying 2. So that we have to multiply equation 1 by 2. And equation 2, in equation 2 what is coefficient of y? Coefficient of y is here 2. We have to make here 10. So that's why we have to multiply equation 2 by 5. Correct? So that multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 5. So that we get the coefficient of y are equal, and that is here 10. So multiply it. So first multiply equation 1 by here 2. Your first term is in equation 1, first term is 3x. If we multiply it by 2, we get 6x. Second term is minus 5y. If we multiply it by 2, we get minus 5y into 2. That means minus 10y is equal to, in right side, 4 into 2, 8. So this equation becomes 6x minus 10y is equal to 8, and denote this equation by number 3. Same way, multiply equation 2 by 5 here. In equation 2, first term is 9x, multiplied by 5, we get 9x into 5 means 45x. Minus 2y into 5, it becomes minus 10y. 7 into 5, it becomes 35. So we get here equation 45x minus 10y is equal to 35, and denote it by equation number 4. Now here, in this pair, equation 3 and 4, we get here coefficient of y are equal. Both are equal to minus 10, minus 10. So we get here coefficient are equal. Now here, this equating coefficient have same sign, minus 10y, minus 10y. That means same sign. If they have same sign, then we can subtract here from equation maybe 3, equation 3 from 4, or maybe equation 4 from 3. So here we can subtract equation 3 from 4. Okay, so subtract equation 3 from equation 4. So equation 3, here in equation 1, left side of x term is here 6x, and in equation 4, first term is 45y. So subtraction, equation 3 from 4. So 4, first term of 4 is 45x. Okay, 45x minus 10y is equal to 35. This is equation 4. Now your equation 3 is 6x minus 10y is equal to 8. Okay, now we subtract here. Subtract means change the sign of second equation. So in a second equation, we have to change the sign of each term. In a second equation, 6x is here plus. To say change the sign, it becomes minus. Now minus 10y become plus 10y, and my plus 8 become minus 8. Now subtract it. Now see here, 45x minus 6x. 45x minus 6x becomes 39x. This minus 10y plus 10y cancel. On right side, 35 minus 8, it becomes 27. So we get 39x is equal to 27. Now we have to transfer this 39 from left side to right side. So 39 is a multiple of x. So if we transfer on right side, it is going on denominator. So we get here x is equal to 27 by 39. After simplifying, divide it by both numbers by here 3. In a numerator is your 27, denominator is your 39. Divide both numerator and denominator by 3. 3 9s are 27. Here 3 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9. So we get here x is equal to 9 by 13. So we get the value of x is 9 by 13. Okay, we get the value of one variable. Now put the value of variable, that is value of x, in a maybe any equation, maybe 1 2 3 4 suitable, जो भी होगा उसमें आप लोग पुट कर सकते हैं. So here we have to put the value of x equal to 9 by 13 in equation 1. हम लोग ये equation 1 है उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So value of x is equal to 9 by 13, इसमें हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूट करने वाला है. तो equation 1 is your 3x. 3 into value of x is here 9 by 13. This minus 5y as it, right side में 4 as it. So after substituting, we get here like this. 3 into x means 3 into 9 by 13 minus 5y as it is equal to right side 4 as it. Okay. Now this 3 into 9 by 13, it becomes 27 by 13 minus 5y as it is equal to 4 as it. Now we transfer here this minus 5y to the right side and 4 from right side to left side. So it is become your 27 by 13 as it. This 4 become minus is equal to this minus 5y become plus 5y on right side. Now we can interchange the side. ये 5y हमने यहाँ पे लिखा, इधर साइड इंटरचेंज कर लिया. So 5y is equal to this 27 by 13 minus 4 as it. Okay, 27 by 13 minus 4. Now we have to subtract first on a right side. Your right side is 27 upon 13 minus 4. So we have to subtract here by cross multiplication. This 4 means 4 upon 1. Okay. Now we can subtract here by cross multiplication method. This 27 into 1 means 27 minus 13 into 4. 13 into 4 is 52. Correct? In denominator 13 upon 1 is 13. Now this 27 minus 52, it is equal to minus 25. That is equal to what? Minus 25 upon in denominator 13 as it. So we get here this 5y is equal to minus 25 upon 13. Now we can transfer this 5 coefficient of y from left side to right side. This is going on denominator. So we get here y is equal to this 25 minus 25 upon 13 as it. Okay. And this 5 is going on denominator means 1 upon 5. Okay. So here simplify it. This 5 ones are 1. 5 5s are 25. We get here minus 5 by 13. So we get the value of y is minus 5 by 13. So value we get here, value of x is 9 by 13 and value of y is minus 5 by 13. So these are the solution of given pair of equation. So x is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13 are the solution of given pair of equation. Now friends, same example, try to solve it by using substitution method. Okay, if you have any doubt then ask me on my WhatsApp number. Now we will see second example. Now second example is, it is what problem? Form form the pair of linear equation in the following problem. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problem and find the solution if they exist by elimination method. Okay, so in a given problem, first we have to make a pair of linear equation into variable and then solve it by using any method, maybe elimination method or by using substitution method. If there is a mention solve it by elimination method, then you have to solve it by elimination method. If there is a mention solve it by substitution method, then you can solve it by substitution method. If there is no anything, there is not mention any method, then you can solve by using your suitable method. Okay, so friends, first try to form a pair of linear equation into variable here. So what is the problem? Problem is, if we add 1 to numerator, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduced to 1. If we add 1 in numerator and subtract 1 in denominator, the fraction becomes what? 1. The fraction is 1. This is one of the condition. Second is, it becomes 1 by 2. When it becomes 1 by 2? If we only add 1 to the denominator. Only if we add 1 in the denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Then what is the fraction? Okay, we know that friends, fraction means is in the form of 3 by 4, 5 by 7, etc. In this form, fraction is a number of the form 3 by 4, 5 by 7. So this is a fraction. Okay, we have to find it. We have to find the fraction. And we know that fraction means fraction have numerator and denominator. So we want to find here fraction, that means we have to find here numerator and denominator. So that means in this example, here numerator and denominator are unknown numbers. So we have to assume here numerator and denominator by using any suitable variable. Okay, so here we can assume here your numerator is suppose x and denominator is y. That means the fraction is x upon y. So we can here assume your fraction is suppose x upon y. That means your numerator is x and denominator is y. ओके, इसका मतलब हम लोग यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शन एश्यूम कर रहे हैं x अपॉन y हम मान लिए. इसका मतलब आपका न्यूमरेटर ये जो है न्यूमरेटर है x है और डिनोमिनेटर जो है y. ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है x और y की वैल्यू. दैट मीन्स वी गेट अ फ्रैक्शन. नाउ यूजिंग द कंडीशन, सी हियर इन अ प्रॉब्लम, according to problem, your first condition is what? The first condition is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduced to 1. We already assume here your numerator of fraction is x. Okay, numerator of fraction is x and denominator of fraction is y. हमने मान लिया यानी कि your fraction is x upon y. According to condition was, if we add 1 in the numerator, if we add, your already numerator is what? X. If we add 1, it becomes what? It becomes x plus 1. It becomes what? X plus 1. And if we subtract 1 from denominator, your already denominator is y. And if we subtract 1, then it becomes what? Y minus 1. Then the fraction is what? Then the fraction is your 1. That means according to condition we get here x plus 1 upon y plus 1 is equal to 1. So according to this first condition we get here x plus 1 upon y plus 1 is equal to 1. Now try to simplify it and form in the form of pair of linear equation in two variable. So after we can simplify here. So we get here x upon here your x upon 1 x plus 1 upon y minus 1 is 1. 1 means 1 upon 1. Now we can simplify it here by cross multiplication method. We can take here cross multiplication. So in a right left side, your numerator is x plus 1, denominator is 1. What is their product? X plus 1 into 1 is, we get what? X plus 1. On right side, y minus 1 into 1 is y minus 1. Okay, now we can transfer this y from right side to left side and this 1 from left side to right side. So on left side, this x as it, this y from right side, it becomes a minus in left side. Okay, that is equal to minus y is equal to this minus 1 right side as it, and this 1 from left side to right side, it becomes minus 1. So we get here x minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1, that means minus 2. So we get here equation x minus y is equal to minus 2. So according to first situation, we get equation here. We get here equation. What is equation? We get here x minus y is equal to minus 2, and we can denote this equation by number 1. So according to first condition, we get a first equation x minus y is equal to minus 2. Same way, we have to make another equation according to second condition. So in a problem, what is your second condition? Second condition is what? It becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator. Only we add 1, then it becomes a 1 by 2. So according to second condition, it becomes 1 by 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. Okay, that means your numerator as it. Your numerator is x as it. In a denominator, add 1, your denominator is y. So if we add 1, it becomes what? Y plus 1 is equal to, it becomes 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So according to this condition, we get here x upon y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now try to simplify it by taking cross multiplication. Okay, so by cross multiplication here, x into 2, it becomes 2x. Okay, is equal to cross multiplication y plus 1 into 1 is y plus 1. Now transfer this y from left side to right right side to left side, it becomes minus. On left side, 2x as it, this y become minus y. On right side, this one as it. So we get here equation is what? 2x minus y is equal to 1. So we get second equation. We can denote it by equation number 2. So according to second condition, we get here equation 2x minus y is equal to 1 and denote it by number 2. Now here we can solve equation 1 and 2. Your equation 1 is what? Equation 1 is 2x minus y. Sorry, equation 1 is your x minus y is equal to minus 2. X minus y is equal to minus 2. This is your equation number 1. Or second is 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now we can solve it, this pair, by using here elimination method. And in this example, elimination method is a very easy, because in this pair, already coefficient of y are equal. In a first equation, what is the coefficient of y? In a first equation, coefficient of y is 1. In another and second equation also, coefficient of y is 1. That means coefficient are already equal. So no need to multiply by any number. No need here, because already coefficients of y are equal. So only, now see here, in a both the equation, equating coefficient have same sign, minus y and same sign, minus sign is same. Okay, so that means we have subtract here, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. If they have same sign, equating coefficient have same sign, then we can subtract. If the equating coefficient have different sign, then we have to add. So in this example, equating coefficient have same sign. So we have to subtract here equation 1 from equation 2. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So your equation 2 as it, equation 2 is your 2x minus y is equal to 1 as it. So subtracts your equation 1 is what? X minus y is equal to minus 2. Now we have to subtract here. Subtract means change the sign of second equation. So in a second equation, your x become minus, okay? This minus y become plus, minus 2 become plus. Now here, your 2x minus x, it becomes x. 2x minus x become x. And this minus y plus y cancel. On right side, 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. So we get here x is equal to 3. So we get the value of x is equal to 3. Now we can denote it by number 3 also. Now put the value of x is equal to 3 in a maybe equation 1 or maybe equation 2. It is depend upon you. So here we can put here x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Your equation 1 is what? X minus y is equal to minus 2. So put here, your substitute x is equal to 3. If you put x is equal to 3, then it becomes what? X means 3. This minus y as it. And 3 minus y is equal to right side minus 2 as it. So 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. Now transfer this 3 from left side to right side, it become minus. So we get here on left side is your minus y is equal to this minus 2 as it, and this 3 become minus 3. So we get here minus y is equal to minus 5. And on both sides minus minus sign cancel. So we get what? Y is equal to 5. So we get the value of y is 5. Now here your required fraction is what? Required fraction is your x upon y. Now put the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5 here. So x upon y means 5 upon 3. So your required fraction is 5. Your required fraction value of x is 3. Value of x is 3 and value of y is 3. So we get x upon y is 3 by 5. So that means your required fraction is 3 by 5. So we get required fraction is here 3 by 5. So in this way, we find here your fraction according to condition. Okay? Okay, friends. Now, let us see one more example. Now, your example number 3. What is your example number 3? So, example number 3 is the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. In a two-digit number, their sum is 9. Okay. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digit. Also, 9 times this number, your original number, 9 times of original number is what? Twice means 2 times the number obtained by reversing the digit. Reversing the order of the digit. If we reverse the order, that means if we change unit digit becomes 10 digit and 10 digit become unit digit, then we get a number. Okay, its twice is nothing but your 9 times the original number. This is the condition. Then find the number. Then we have to find here the number. So in this example, we find a number and we know that two-digit numbers contains unit digit and 10 digits. So that means in this example, here unit digit and 10 digits are unknown. Correct? We have to find it. So that's why in this example, we can represent unit digit and 10 digit by using variables x and y. So we can represent here, suppose your unit digit is x and 10 digit is y. We can represent here. So let us unit digit and 10 digit of the numbers be x and y respectively. That means your unit digit is x and 10 digit is y. Then what is your number? Then the original number is, we know that any two-digit numbers. Suppose for example, this is your two-digit number 23. This 23, in this 23, your unit digit is 3 and 10 digit is what? 2. This 23 can be written as 20 plus 3. Correct? This 20 can be written as 2 into 10 plus 3. Yeah, we can also write 10 into 2 plus 3. Now here, this 2 means what? Your 10 digit. And 3 means unit digit. That means any 2 digit number is of the form 10 into 10 digit plus unit digit. So this is a formation of 2 digit number. What is the formation of 2 digit number? 10 into 10 digit plus unit digit. So using this formation, we form a number having unit digit x and 10 digit y. So in this way, your number become what? So therefore your required number is 10 into 10 digit means 10 into, what is your 10 digit here? We assume here 10 digit is y. So 10 into y plus unit digit means x. So your required number is 10y plus x. Okay, this is your number. We have to find it. Okay, now after revising the digit, then your this unit digit become 10 digit. Then your 10 digit will be what? X. And your 10 digit becomes unit digit. Then your unit digit will be y. Then after reversing the digit, your number will be what? 10 into 10 digit means x plus y. So after reversing the digit, the number becomes what? 10x plus y. So after reversing the digit, the number is 10x plus y. Are you understand? If you have any doubt, then ask me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Again, I would like to tell you same thing. Suppose your here your unit digit is here x and your 10 digit is here y. Okay, we have seen any two digit number. For example, your suppose 34 is your two digit number. This 34 can be written as what? 30 plus 4. Now this 30 can be written as 10 into 3 plus 4. Now here this 3 means 3 means what? Your 10 digit, and 4 means your unit digit. So this number can be written as 10 into 3 means 10 digit, t means 10 digit, plus 4 means unit digit. It is denoted by u. So formation of any two digit number. This is the formation of two digit number. This is formation of what? Two digit number is what? 10 into 10 digit plus unit digit. So in this example, we assume here unit digit is x and 10 digit y. Then the number become what? 10 into 10 digit means y plus unit digit means x. So there your number is 10y plus x. So if when your unit digit x, 10 digit y, then the number is 10y plus x. So according to this situation, your required number is 10y plus x. Now after interchanging the digit, your number become, after reversing the digit, the number is 10 into 10 digit. We after interchanging digit, your this unit digit x become 10 digit. Your unit digit become 10 digit. That means your 10 digit is x and unit digit is what? Y. Then the number is 10 into 10 digit means 10 into x plus unit digit means y. So after reversing the digit, the number becomes 10y plus x. Okay. Now see, according to first condition, what is your first condition? In a problem, first condition what? Sum of the digit of two digit number is 9. In this two digit number, sum of the digit is 9. Your unit digit is x, 10 digits y, and so their sum is 9. So according to this condition, we get here x plus y is equal to 9 and denote this by equation number 1. So we get here, according to first condition, equation is x plus y is equal to 9 and denoted by equation number 1. Now according to second condition, what is your second condition? 9 times this number, 9 times this number means your original number, 10y plus x, it's 9 times, is equal to what? Is twice the number obtain the reversing the order of digit. This is your number, obtain the reversing the digit. This is your number. It's 2 times. That means 2 times. So according to this situation, we get here 9 times the original number. 9 times the original number means 9 into your original number is 10y plus x is equal to twice means 2 times. After reversing the digit means 10y 10x plus y. So according to situation here, we get what? 9 times 10y plus x is equal to 2 times 10x plus y. Now simplify it. Okay, simplify. After simplifying, we get what? Multiply this 9 to this bracket. 9 into 10y, that is become 10y. 9 into x, it become 9x is equal to on right side 2 into 10x means 20x plus 2y. Okay, now transfer the variable terms or transfer all the terms from right side to left side. So on a left side, this 9x as it, okay, this 9x as it, and this 20x from left side right side to left side, it become minus 20x. Now this 90y left side as it, and this 2y from right side to left side, it becomes minus 2y and is equal to right side 0. Now see here, 9x minus 20x. 9x minus 20x, it becomes minus 11x plus 90y minus 2y, it becomes 88y is equal to right side 0. Now simplified it. Now we can divide it through this equation by 11. Okay, because 11 is common. So we have to divide this equation by 11. After dividing 11, it becomes what? Minus 11x divided by 11, it becomes minus x. Okay, now 88y divided by 11, it becomes 8y and is equal to right side 0. So we get here minus x plus 8y is equal to 0 and denote this by equation number 2. So we get here equation 2 is minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. So we get the pair of linear equation is x plus y is equal to 9 and second is minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. Now we can solve this pair of linear equation, that means equation 1 and 2, by using here elimination method is a suitable method for this example, because here coefficient of x are already equal. Which coefficient, which variable coefficient of are equal here? See here in equation 1, what is the coefficient of x? 1. In a second equation, what is the coefficient of x? Here also 1 minus 1, that means one number 1 is same. So same, and they have different sign. Equating coefficient have a different sign, plus minus sign. So simply adding this to equation, we can add equation 1 and 2 here. So now we can add equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get your equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 9. Second is minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. We can add here. If we add, then we no need to change the sign of second equation. Only change the sign if we subtract. If we subtract, then change the sign of second equation. If we add, then no need to change the sign of any sign of second equation. Okay, note down this point. Only when if there is a subtraction, then we can change the sign of second equation. If we add, no need. Okay, so no need here. Now adding here, in the first term here, plus x minus x, it becomes cancel. Plus x minus become 0. That means no need to write. Now plus y or plus 8y, this become plus 9y. On right side, 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. So we get 9y is equal to y. 9y is equal to 9. Now transfer 9 from left side to right side. It is going on denominator. So we get on left side y as it is equal to 9 upon 9. And therefore y is equal to 9 upon 9 means 1. So we get the value of y is 1. We get the value of y is 1. Now substitute the value of y is equal to 1 in any one equation, maybe 1 or maybe 2. So we put here in equation 1. Put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. Your equation 1 is what? X plus y is equal to 9. So put here y is equal to 9. So this x as it plus y means 1 is equal to 9. Now transfer this 1 from left side to right side, it become minus. So we get here x is equal to right side 9 as it, and this plus 1 become minus 1. So we get x is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8. So we get the value of x is equal to 8. Value of x is equal to 8 and value of y is equal to 1. So we get here x and y. Value of x is equal to 8 and value of y is equal to 1. Now your required number is, what is your required number? It is a 10y plus x. Put here x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 1. So 10 into y means 1, 10 into 1 plus x means 8. 10 into 1 is what? 10 plus 8. And what is 10 plus 8? It becomes 18. So your required number is 18. So we get answer. Your required number is 2-digit number is 18. Check here. This number is satisfying this both condition or not. We can verify here. Now see here in 18, what is sum of the digit? 1 plus 8, that is equal to 9. So according to first condition, what is our first condition? Sum of the digit is 9 and here sum is 9. So first condition is satisfied. Now 9 times the number. 9 times the number means 918 into 9. This product becomes 8 9 72, 2 carries 7, 8 9 1 are 1 plus 7, 16. This product is 162. 9 2 times interchanging the digit. After interchanging the digit, it becomes 81. Because your 10 digit becomes unit digit become 10 digit. So this number is 81. 2 into 81 and that is also 162. So both are equal. So this number is satisfied the second condition also. So therefore your required number is what is your required number? Your required number is 18. So your 2-digit number is 18. So friends, in this way we can solve any problem by using this method. Now one more example we'll see. One more example I will see. Now see what is your second example. Next example is Mina went to a bank, withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 15 and rupees 100 notes only. Only give the 15 rupees and 100 rupees note. And total amount is 2000. Okay. Mina got 25 notes in all. Totally she got 100 rupees and 25. Total notes are 25. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So here in this problem, two things are unknown. Which are the two things? We have to find here 100 rupees, number of 100 rupees notes and number of 50 rupees note. We can represent this number of notes by the numbers x and y. Okay, variables x and y. So suppose the number of 50 rupees notes are x and 100 rupees notes are y. Now according to condition, first condition is what? Mina got totally 25 notes. That means rupees 50 notes and rupees 100 notes. Total notes are 25. And 20 rupees 50 notes we represent here by number x. So that means x plus rupees 100 notes are number of notes of 100 represented here y. So that means x plus y is equal to 25. So according to first condition, we get here equation x plus y is equal to 25. Now second condition is what? Totally 2000 rupees. Now one note's cost of rupees 50 is rupees 50. Okay. If you have two notes of rupees 50, then total cost will be 2 into 50. If you have three notes of rupees 50, its cost will be 3 into 50. So here Mina have how many 50 rupees notes? X. So its cost is what? 50 into x and 50x, right? Similarly, 100 number of 100 rupees notes are y here. So its cost is 100 into y. So 100y and total is 2000. So according to second condition here, 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. So we get equation 2. So we get here equation 1 and 2 are the pair of linear equation. Now we can solve it by elimination method, because it is easy to make the coefficient of any one variable are equal. So in this example, we want to equate the coefficient of x. Now in equation 1, what is the coefficient of x? 1. In the second equation, what is the coefficient of x? 50. We have to make their coefficient are equal and equal to their LCM. That means LCM of 1 and 50. And what is the LCM of 1 and 50? 50. So we have to make the coefficient are equal and equal to 50. So for this purpose, in a equation 1, we have to multiply here by which number? Here coefficient of x is 1. We make here 50. So we have to multiply it by 50. So that means we have to multiply equation 1 by 50. Okay. And already equation 2 Coefficient of x is already 50, so no need to multiply equation 2. Okay, then here subtract this equation, multiply equation 1 by 50 and subtract from equation 3. So first write equation 3 as it. Equation 3 is your multiply equation 1 by 50. 50, if we multiply equation 1 by 50, it become 50x plus 50y is equal to 1250. Correct? Now subtract this equation 3 from equation 2. So equation 3 is your 50x plus your 2 is 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Okay, 2 as it. Subtract equation 3 means 50x plus 50y is equal to 1050. हम लोग subtract कर रहे हैं. If we subtract, then change the sign of second equation. So change the sign of second equation. This 50x become minus. This 50y become minus. 1250 also become minus. Okay. Now subtract. Now here this 50x plus 50x cancel. 100y minus 50y, it becomes minus 50y. On right side, 2000 minus 1250, it becomes 750. Now transfer this 50 from left side to right side, it is going on denominator. So we get here y is equal to 50y is equal to 750. So we get y is equal to 750 upon 50. After simplifying, we get y is equal to 15. Now substitute the value of y in equation 1. It is easy. So equation y, your equation y is what? X plus y is equal to 25. So put here y is equal to 50. So this x as it plus y means 15 is equal to 25. Now transfer this 15 from right side to left side to right side, it become minus. So x is equal to 25 minus 15. So we get x is equal to 10. So here we get the value of x is 10 and value of y is here 50. Now, so number of rupees 50 note means x, that is equal to 10. Okay, and number of rupees 100 y, that means 15. So she received, so Meena received here rupees x notes 10, 15 rupees notes are 10 and 100 rupees notes are 15. So hence Meena has 10 notes of 15 and 15 notes of 100. In this way, we will solve any problem, okay, by using elimination method. So friends, I hope you all are understanding this problem. If you have any doubt, then ask me on my WhatsApp number 9420439784. Okay friends, goodbye. Have a nice day.